guys, so I'm currently in the United States and I have the opportunity of touring a very lovely home right here in the center of Houston, Texas. Come with me as we do a home tour together. When you come in, you'll be walking into a very massive hallway right here, and then on my right there's a room here which I believe is the guest room because it is ensuite with a shower, a walk-in closet. This is not walk-in, this is just a closet, shower, toilet, and wash and basin with a lot of storage right there. So once you come out from here, there's a door that you come to, and this is like a storage for coats and maybe some stuff you're wearing from outside. It's not really cold in Texas, so I don't know if it's cold or not. Then coming out on my left side is this downstairs toilet. I think this is the guest toilet downstairs. And just around the corner is another door, and this door leads to the garage. This is a very sizable garage that can accommodate as much as 4 cars, if I'm not mistaken. Very massive, very large. And once you come out, leading from the hallway, you're going to be walking into this very massive kitchen. So this is an open plan. It's got its lounge right here. Very tall ceilings as well. The lounge. Then you have the kitchen.
Just people are not even.
And that's the dining area over there. And here you have a lot of storage spaces. You've got the microwave oven. You've got the dishwasher here. And some extra storage, and in here is an integrated bin system, which is really smart and good. I love it, and is a gas hub, 5 hub for gas, and so many storage spaces. And here we've got like a mini pantry or a storage space for your foodstuffs and all that, and storage everywhere. And this is the space for your fridge or freezer. Then in here is the master bedroom. So come. This is the master bedroom, very massive, very big. And in here is the toilet, shower. So you've got the shower, you've got wash and basin with multiple storage. That's a massive storage right there. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? You've got a little storage space where you can keep your towels and all of that. And you've got the toilet here. You've got the toilet, and you've got a walk-in closet. You guys, look at this. This is really, really massive. This is a lot. This is a lot. Judging from where I came from, it's a lot. This is the utility room. So there's a space for washing machine and the dryer and the socket. And this is a very smart idea. There's a railing where you can actually hang your clothing. That's very smart. And outside you've got your garden. Outside there is your garden. And this is a very massive garden. This is quite huge. It's really big. And there's a door, like there's the pathway that leads to the exit out there. Now let's go upstairs. So once you come upstairs, you'll be coming up to this little porch, something like that. And in here we've got a storage space for, I don't know what, but whatever it is you want to store there is fine. And here we've got the upstairs lounge. Guys, this is huge. Huge. So you've got the upstairs lounge where you can put, you know, TV, do your gaming, put your gym, whatever it is you want to put. It's quite good. And then in here is the room. This is a very lovely room that has its own closet. And there's the shower, bathtub, toilet, sink, storage there. And in this, we've got another storage space. Moving on. In this is another room. This is another room that has its own closet. That's a very small closet, by the way, compared to what I've seen before. And it's got sink, wash and sink, then shower, toilet, bathtub as well. And the interesting thing is this leads to another room. So there are two rooms that are connected to the same toilet and bathroom, so they can share. So let's say you've got two girls that have separate rooms, they can share the same toilet and bathroom, which is a very good idea. So yeah, that's a very good room right there. And this is a closet for the room, and it's got some storage shelf as well for your folded clothing. And yeah, that's it, I believe. Yeah, guys. So that's everything I've got for you guys. This is a 5-bedroom house, 3 rooms upstairs, master bedroom downstairs, guest room downstairs. It's got an open plan lounge, kitchen, diner, which is very lovely. Let me. Oh, come guys, one more thing. You've got your attic, what they call loft in the United Kingdom. So it's got a ladder and it goes upstairs. You can store whatever it is you want over there. That's very, very intelligent. So guys, that's the end of the tour. That's the end of the tour, guys. Let me know. That's the end of the tour, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, especially my UK people. What do you think about this house? Are you feeling oppressed? Because I'm feeling oppressed. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. If you watch this point, all right, subscribe, like, share, drop a comment. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye.